Hey, David, thanks for the pictures. Yeah, again, I don't think you need to go crazy. I think a couple lights will do a really good job here. The way I would do this is I would use primarily accent lights, and I would start with the front of the house here. I'm just a big fan of highlighting the architectural features, making the house look really good from the street. And the way you do that here is I would have some accent lights that would shine up kind of at the base of the corner here, up the side here, and here, and then here, and here. So like 4 of them. So if I go to some other pictures, yeah, so kind of have one here, 12 to 18 inches back that shine up there. And then again on this side of the window, and then on both sides of this window here. They're going to do a really good job of featuring the front of the house. You're going to get some light splash back down onto here, which is going to highlight this. It depends if you want to add some path lights here. If you were to add any path lights, you might want to throw one kind of over in this corner here, and then maybe up front here under the window, because you'll have an accent light, and then in the middle you might throw a path light, and same thing on this side here. Yeah, and then really one, maybe 2 path lights. Again, just depends on your budget and stuff, but that's where I would start. I would definitely have an up an accent light on this tree here, probably from the street side, so it looks great from the street side. And then as for other path lights, you might want to throw a path light just on the corner here that gets the sidewalk, and then if you can get 1 or 2 in this little rock area beside the garage would be another spot that I would put it, just to help light up that walkway. The only tricky part with that is obviously you have to get under the sidewalk. It's not impossible to do. Usually what we do, you don't have to go buy fancy tools and stuff. There's tools to get under there, but usually I'll just cut a strip of sod back a little bit. I'll dig down a little bit and then take a pipe, and I pretty much just hammer that pipe through to that side, run my wire through, and then just bury everything up. So it's actually pretty simple and easy to do. So yeah, it just depends on your budget and stuff, but where I would definitely start is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accent lights, and then maybe 1, 2, 3 path lights. And then you might want to throw, another path light in here, another path light in the middle here, and another path light in the middle here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think you're maybe 10 to 12 lights max. What you could do, if that kind of works for you, is you could go look at some of the kits that are, pretty darn close to that. You could start with, if you wanted to just kind of do 8 lights, you could start with this one. There is 8 accent lights, but if you sent me a note, what we could do is we could have just the 5 accent lights, and then I could swap these out for path lights, and that would be able to do part of the plan. Or if you want to add a few more lights, you could do something like this. And again, if we needed to swap 1 or 2 these out for some of the path lights I recommended, so say you wanted 5 path lights and only 7 of these, we could swap that out easy enough too. Just when you order it online, just make a note in a note section. I see all those notes, and I'll make sure that we get that changed for you. But those are probably going to be your 2 options, and those are going to be the best bang for your buck. These are in Canadian prices. If you're down in the States, you'll see them in US dollars. So you guys do get a better rate, a better discount right now, and it's free shipping across North America. So if you have any questions, just email me back. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, thanks.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great ideas for your own do-it-yourself landscape lighting projects. If you want your own free consultation video, like I said before, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca, or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to check out our try it before you buy it light. Again, where you get 1 premium grade fixture and a King Innovation Instalight battery operated demo kit that you can go and test those lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So I hope to see you guys again soon. And again, go get your free consultations by emailing your pictures, or visit us at lightingdoctor.ca. Thanks so much for watching.